Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus Office BX305FW. Now, unlike some Epson printers, you can't simply just lift the scanner bed of the printer and have the cradle slide across into position for this machine. Instead, we need to go through the menus using the buttons and the little screen found on the front. So let's take a look at that. So, from the main menu, we want to get ourselves into maintenance. So we press the menu button, and maintenance is all the way down the bottom, it's option 10, but we can get to it quicker by pressing up once. You can see, it takes us straight to 10. Press OK to go into maintenance, and then we're just going to scroll down, past nozzle check, past head cleaning, past head alignment, to option number 5, ink cartridge replacement. So we press OK. Now, your printer will move that cradle across we mentioned earlier, and in just a few seconds, we can get exactly where we need to be inside the printer. Now, if you want to be going lower than the actual scanner, so if you take your fingers a little bit lower, there's a recess here, you can see. So just lift up here, and you can now see the cradle I mentioned earlier slid over into position. So to get this open, just get your fingers on the top, press down, it should come up nice and easy. When you pull that back, you can reveal the cartridges inside. So, just going to reach in, and along the top here you can see those little tabs. Press those down to get them loose. You might have to lift a little bit, and it should slide out relatively trouble-free. Take your replacement ink cartridge. Unlike this one that has been used previously, you're going to be wanting to look for any pull tabs or anything that needs removing before you use it. Some of them have little clips on the bottom, but leave that seal intact because that gets pierced as it goes into the machine. So slide that in. Press down ever so gently. Sometimes you hear it click, sometimes, like this one, it just slides into place. As long as it's flush with the other 4 cartridges, you should be good to go. Let's close that up, click it into place, lower the lid, and then back at the screen, you just need to indicate to the printer that you're done changing cartridges. So press OK, and your printer will check out the cartridges, make sure it's happy with them, and should return you to being able to print again. And that's all there is to see, really. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.